Becoming a water-drinking lover early in life is beneficial. As soon as babies are able to start adding foods to their diets, they can also drink water. Sometimes juice and milk become a young child's only drinking sources, but I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to make sure your child grows up loving the best liquid source, water. Tip number 1. Like I said, start them early. When a baby starts drinking water, they won't care for it very much. After all, they're used to breast milk or formula. As long as they're still drinking one of those consistently, a lot of water isn't necessary. But keep giving it to them and they will start to like it as they wean off of breast milk or formula. Tip number 2. Don't assume that because they may reject water at first that your only option is juice. Drinking a lot of juice can cause health concerns for your child, including early cavities and behavioral problems. If you're worried about your child drinking too much juice, just don't buy it. It's not something they need. If you'd like, make it an occasional treat, like when you visit a special restaurant for breakfast. Tip number 3. Children who love water will become adults who love water. We all know it's healthier to drink more water and less sodas and other sugary drinks. I've heard stories of fully grown adults who hate water. My guess is that they didn't drink much of it as kids. On the other hand, all of my kids love water, and even when they have an occasional soda, very soon after they prefer to go back to drinking water. Tip number 4. While water is great, not just any water will suffice. Make sure the water you give your children is clean and free of contaminants. A quality water filter can help ensure healthy drinking water. Having healthy kids starts with the decisions you make early on. Your baby and child will never know what juice is if they never drink it. In the end, it will be better for them now and in the future. If you want to learn more about using Berkey water filters to obtain your clean water, visit www.berkeycleanwater.com and subscribe below for more videos.